I have this small little tear here. And one thing I noticed is, see, this is vinyl. Guys used to work with called it pleather, plastic leather. And then this is actually real leather here. They look the same, but they're not. But what I'm gonna sew up this little thing. So what I'm gonna do is take my Swiss Army knife. This thing's like 25 years old. It's a great scissors. I want to cut out this white stuff because I don't want that sticking out of the repair. It's also the smallest scissors I have, and I carried on my keys, and so I always have it with me, and that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'll leave that on there. There's a little tab right there. That should work out. I'll pull off, and this is the closest color I could get. It was really hard to find the correct color. I'm gonna go about 2 feet long string. Cut that off. And I put the end of the string in my mouth to get it wet. That tends to bring all the small fibers together. And then thread. I have a curved needle. This thing's pretty small, but I'm going to need it for going around these tight corners. I'm going to start on this. I think is going to be the hardest part. Pull that up. I'm going to tie that right there to anchor that real well. The seat, it's got tear here. This is the only one, and this Tahoe is 19 years old. It's got 178,000 on it, so seats have held up pretty well. There, I'm just going to do a crisscross pattern. Do the same stitch. I'm starting everything from the back, inside, backside, and coming out. So I'll keep going around there. I'll be back. Oh, this is the last stitch for this tear. This is far from perfect. Let's put one knot in there. I'm gonna run it back through the vinyl. Maybe not. I'll run it back through that. It's thread. Now I'll make a loop. Put it through the loop once and twice. Oops. Tighten that up. Turn that up. This is a really hard place to sew because the vinyl's all wonky, but it's much better than it was with that white showing the contrast. So be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.